Welcome back to Anderby Creek. We're back again. First time I've ever been on a sunny day. Tide's coming in. Let's have a look. Over there we've got those beautiful houses that look out onto the sea. One or two of them you can rent on Airbnb. The only thing we've got to worry about today, it's an amber warning because of the Chapel St Leonard's kite flying club, and I don't think we're going to interfere with them, do you? Just bring it round, see what we can see. Over the back there you can see, just bring that up a little bit, you should see the caravan site around those houses. Look at those clouds, the way them clouds are sticking out with the sun on there. It's been a gorgeous day today, 22 degrees, just starting to get a little bit windy. As I say, this tide is coming in. Beautiful, eh? That gives you a look of the sea coming in, the sand, and then the land behind it. Coming round, all behind there you've got caravan parks, and then you've got the fields going back, looking over Lincolnshire. If you come round, I don't know if you can see it over there, you should be able to see you should be able to see Chapel St Leonard's and the coastal viewing point, which is we've done that before on different videos. Beautiful place. And then on to Skegness. I'm trying to look at the screen. You can't really see, but you should be, I would imagine you can see Fantasy Island at Skegness over there. And then come round and have a look. Should be able to see that's the outfall just there. That was uncovered not many minutes ago, but now it's all, the tide's coming in, and you can see the offshore wind generators, electric generators. Just bring it down the yard or two, put the camera back up, or down should I say. I'll get that used to that one day, pull it round. Down that way you've got, first one is Uttoft Beach, then it goes down to Sandylands, Sutton-on-Sea, and then on to Mablethorpe. It's beautiful. Anyway, let's take it for a bit of a spin out sea. See if we can manage without losing it. Bring it back round. Nearly. Bring it back in. Don't know what I did there. Me and the controls on this thing, I'm useless. I'll get used to it one day. So off we go, straight down the coast. We'll cut that bit out. Have a look down the beach. Straight back out to sea. Take it up a bit, bring it round, bring it back into me, straight down there where nobody is. Go. That's better. I think I was pushing the thing down. I just need a couple of hours sitting about with it. Just swing that around there, take another look at those houses. I always think it reminds you of like the beach houses on the Hamptons and places like that. Hopefully over there you should be able to see all the farmland. Take it up a bit. Bring it round again. One last look out to sea and we'll bring it in. If you can find a wet bit to bring it in on, because this sand can be a bit fluffy. Bring it out. And down she goes.